Ready to experience the most powerful transformation the EE system has to offer? Our EE overnight sessions are a full 11-hour immersion into the Energy Enhancement System, giving your body the time that it needs to fully absorb the power of the scalar waves. This groundbreaking science-backed technology has the power to increase the voltage within your cells, enabling your body to heal from any chronic ailment you may be facing.
I was originally diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer. We have seen miraculous changes that medical professionals had told me will never be possible. My liver has almost completely regenerated itself and my lungs have stabilized.
I'm in the EE system for over 2 months now. Have an amazing result of my CAT scan. Everything is stable. No evidence of the progression of the disease.
It was amazing. It was such a relaxing experience. I tapped into this deeper level of relaxation like I've ever experienced in my life. I woke up the next day and I was like, wow. It wasn't just like a experience that you notice just that morning and then it's kind of gone. You notice it going forward. And I can only imagine if you continuously do it, those effects kind of prolong even more than that.
We all know the power of a good night's sleep, but this is much more than that. It's a full body reset in a bioactive field designed to bring your body back into harmony. So as you rest, your body enters a deep state of cellular regeneration, detoxification, and energetic rebalancing. The more time that you spend in the EE system, the deeper the healing that can take place. That's why we've opened the system 24/7 for overnight sessions. Designed for those who are looking to accumulate more hours in the EE system and undergo the deepest form of healing possible. After your overnight session, you'll wake up refreshed and recharged. And we'll kickstart your morning with an included sauna and ice bath to amplify your effects. Bedding and blankets are included, so all you have to do is show up, let go, and let the energy do the work. Book this session either solo, with a couple, or group. More information down below.